I bought the viral jerky. So excited to try it. Yum, yum, yum. They have a blue one that also looks really good, so I'm definitely gonna buy that one next. It looks like the Takis. Try it with me. It's like really thin and crunchy looking. They have different sizes you can buy. This is their big package, but you can buy other sizes. Oh my gosh. That is crazy good. It definitely tastes like Takis. Yeah. I've seen people put like lime on it, squeezed lime. I don't know why you would do that. It's already sour, like Takis. It's like spicy and sour. I'm guessing the blue ones are probably like a blue Taki. Listen to the crunch. Look how thin it is. Gross! I did not just show you my tongue. These are definitely my new favorite snack. I'm gonna link their product link below, but I did this one for myself. I bought with my own money. I'm well worth it. I'm so into the thin jerky. I make my own jerky, so I don't like store-bought jerky, but I do like this jerky. Very, very good. See you guys.